Okay, good afternoon, guys. So, we will explain about material, about survey of research on cloud, robotics, and automation. So, my name is Jonathan Manurung. I will, I semester 4, night shift. Okay, introduction. As illustrated in Fig I, the cloud has potential to add a broad range of robot and automation systems. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, defined the cloud as a model for enabling ubiquitous and constraint on demand. The survey is organized around four potential benefits from the cloud. One, big data access to remote library of image maps, trajectories, and both and of object data. 2. Cloud computing access to parallel grid computing on demand for statistical analysis, learning, and motion planning. 3. Collective robot learning. Robot sharing trajectories, control policy, and outcomes. And 4. Human computation. Using crowdsourcing access to remote human expertise for analyzing image classification, learning, and error recovery. Okay, next slide. This is a survey of research on cloud and robotics and automation. So we look the picture. Look the picture. This is the cloud has potential to enable a new generation of robots and automation system to use wireless networking. So this is a robot is use the networking for the moving. Big data, cloud computing, statistical, machine learning, open source, and other shared resources to improve performance in a wide variety of applications, including assembly, inspection, driving, warehouse logistics, housekeeping, and surgery. Okay, next slide is brief history or sejarah singkat. The first industrial robot was connected to the web with an intuitive graphical user interface that allow visitors to teleport the robot via an internet in the browser in May 2000. The EAA Robotics and Automation Society established the Technical Committee on Network, which organized a number of workshops. Chapters of the Springer Handbook and on robotics were focused on network telerobots, where robots are operated remote by humans using global network, and network robots, where robots communicate with each other using local networks. So we look at the left picture. This is the robot. The picture is tell about the robot Earthship system architecture designed to allow robots about server, generic components, and robot specific. Okay, next slide. The term Industry 4.0 introduction to in the Germany in 2011 predicts the fourth industrial revolution that will use network to follow the first mechanism of production using water and steam power. The second mass production with electric power, and the third use of the electronics to automatic production. Industrial Revolution, General Electric introduced the term industrial internet to describe new effort where industrial equipment such as wind turbine, jet engine, and MRI machine connect over networks to share data and processing for industries including energy, transportation, and healthcare. Okay, in the left picture, we look about the public is the public network provider partners use Berkeley computation provider. So the data can be collected from many sources as shown in the schematic architecture for the mobile millennium. A cloud-based transportation system that combines streaming data from taxis, maps, and route-based sensor. Mobile Millennium use the big data and collective robot learning aspect of cloud robotics and automation. Okay, next slide. This is a collective robot learning. So the cloud facilitates sharing of the data for robot learning by collecting data from many instances of physical trials and environment. For example, robot and automation system and cancer initial and desired condition exercise control police and trajectories and importantly data on the resulting performance and the outcomes. The Robot Earth and RoboBrain database in section 3 are designed to be updated with new information from Connect robots. The RoboBrain project learn from publicly available internet resource, computer simulation, and real-life robot trial. Okay, in the left picture, we will look. This is the system architecture for cloud-based object recognition for grasping. So the robot capture an image of an object and sends via the network to the Google Object Recognition Server. The server processes the image and returns data for a set of candidate objects, each with a pre-compute grasping option. The robot compresses the return CID models with the detect point cloud to refine identification and to perform post estimation and selects an appropriate grasp. After the grasp is executed, data on the outcome is used to update models in the cloud for future reference. Okay, next slide is about human computation, crowdsourcing, and call center. Human skill, experience, and intuition is being tapped to solve a number of problems, such as image labeling for computer vision, in contrast to automated telephone reservation system. Consider a future scenario where error and the expectation are detected by robot and automation system, which the contact human at remote call center for guidance. So this is the picture. We look left picture. Uh, the picture about cloud framework for robot navigation using cooperative tracking and mapping. This is look at the client side, the server side. Tracking client T1, tracking client 2, T2, tracking client T3. Okay, next slide. Open source and open access. Open source and open access the cloud support the evolution of a cloud's robotics and automation by facilitating human access to A. Datasets, publication, models and benchmark and simulation tools. B. Open competition for design and system. And C. Open source and software. Additionally, many simulation libraries for robotics are now open source, which allow students and researchers to rapidly set up and edit new systems and share the result software. Another exciting trend is in open source hardware, where CAD models and the technical details of construction of device are made freely available. So we see the left picture about schematic architecture of clothing. This is will develop an open standard for self-reporting sensing devices as sensor mount in automobiles. Cloud enables storage of sensor network data can enable collaborative sharing of data for traffic routing and other applications. This is a gateway server, data server, go to client browser. This is a to clothing RESTful AP, third party server, and GSM network operator to can computer. Okay, next challenge and future direction. Using the cloud for robotics and automation system introduce many new challenges. The connectivity in the cloud raises a range of privacy and security concerns. Cloud robotics and automation also introduce the potential of robot and system to be attacked remotely. A hacker called takeover and robot and use it to do disparate functionally or cause damage. For instance, research at the University of Texas at Austin demonstrate that it is possible to hack into and remotely control UAV drones via inspection. So we see look in the picture about schematic architecture of the lightning path planning framework show a system that is able to learn from experience from compute motion plans which call be stored in the cloud. The planner attempt to find a brand new plan as well is find exciting plan of problem similar to the current one. Okay, just for this all, the both Matri survey of research and cloud robotics and automation. So thank you very much. Good afternoon.